I want to start the video with a question: how many of you have noticed unusual weather pattern lately? Whether it's the multiple super typhoon that we are currently facing in the Philippines to the extreme heat waves. My name is Johnny Manuel M. Ariasga, and today I'm here to talk to you about climate change, a challenge that is affecting every corner of our planet. That is an issue we can no longer ignore, and it's up to all of us to take action before the damage becomes inevitable. So what are the causes of this crisis? The main cause of climate change is the human activity, particularly the emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, causing global temperature to rise. The burning of fossil fuel for energy, deforestation, and industrial processes have significantly increased these emissions. As a result, we are seeing devastating consequences like global temperatures are rising, glaciers and ice caps are melting, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe. Just last year, we saw an unprecedented wildfires in Australia and California, record heat waves in Europe, and massive flooding in Pakistan, and multiple super typhoons in the Philippines today. Scientists tell us that if we don't act now, the consequences will only be worsen, affecting everything from our food security to our health and the future of countless species. If we continue to ignore this clear reality of climate change, we will face devastating consequences, from increasing sea levels that could lead or force millions of people to relocate, and extreme weather that will destroy homes, infrastructure, and livelihood. The vulnerability of community will be hit the hardest, and the economic toll will be overwhelming. But there is a hope. The solution is in our hands. We can still mitigate the worsening effects of climate change by shifting to a renewable energy source such as wind and solar energy, and advocating for stronger environmental policies. Protecting and restoring forests can also help absorb carbon dioxide and preserve biodiversity. On a larger scale, policies supporting climate action, such as Paris Agreement, have shown positive results as in some countries. Even as simple as reduce, reuse, and recycle can help in mitigating climate change. The fight against climate change requires all of us to take responsibility. It's not enough to wait for others to act. We must start making changes in our own lives. This could mean reducing our carbon footprint by even driving less, using energy-efficient appliances, or supporting companies that prioritize sustainability. Every small step counts, and we must advocate for stronger environmental policies, push for cleaner technologies, and together we can create a meaningful change. Climate change is real, and its effects are already impacting us. But we still have a chance to make a difference if we act now. Thank you for your attention, and I encourage you to join the movement for the sustainable future. Together, we can create a better world for all and for all.